Hi guys, welcome back. I'm Harrison from the Workshop channel, and in this video we're going to be using a plate joiner to fix the best thing you can fix with a plate joiner, a broken plate. We're going to be taking this Makita plate joiner. Most people would call these a biscuit joiner, not Makita apparently. They're clearly calling this a cordless plate joiner. And we're going to be using some zero biscuits in order to join them, just a couple of them, because we don't want anything too big. This just to give it something to clamp it and more surface area for the glue. First step is marking it up with the centre of the biscuit joiner. So I'm going to remove half of the plate, take the biscuit joiner. We got it propped up so that it's nice and flat, and we know it's kind of square. And then we're just going to push up against everything, making sure that it's all nice and flat. Taking our pencil, the Makita's got a lovely red mark to show where we're supposed to be marking, and do the same thing again. Moving these aside, what we're going to do is line up our two pieces, take a 15mm, that's a tiny ruler, 150mm ruler, and just drawing our marks across. By marking across, this gives us nice parallel lines where we can put the biscuit joiner in either way, and this saves us a lot of time when we'd usually be measuring side to side. Now, one of the health and safety guys has made a very valid point, and that's the fact that my lockdown hair isn't exactly great for biscuit joining, because it might get in there and I might become part of the Makita tool series and this setup. So what I am going to do is take a baseball cap, just pop my hair in there, and that's so that hopefully none of my hair gets caught in all of this cool stuff. Oh, sorry. You happy now, Karen? Karen? Yeah, no, I've got it. Yeah, all of the things. Sorry about that. Okay, so we have got ear defenders and gloves, and the hat to keep the hair out of the biscuit joiner. We've got the plate clamped to the piece of wood that's clamped to the workbench, and we've also got this spacer piece to help make sure that everything's nice and lined up. We've got the Makita dust extractor hooked up to the Makita plate joiner, and I think we're all ready to get cutting. Now I thought that the Makita was broken because that didn't feel like it was working, and the sound is a lovely hum from this tool. So I thought that this wasn't going to work at all, but when we moved the biscuit joiner out the way, or the plate joiner, found that there's actually a lovely place for a biscuit there. Enough space for some glue, and let's do it again. These biscuits absolutely glide in the slots. So now what we're going to do is unclamp these so that we can put the other one in and do the two on the other side. Now that Karen's clocked out for the day, don't need this stupid hat. Hopefully I don't glue my hair into any of this, which is what we're going to be doing. Got our 40mm flare canister with some Gorilla Wood glue in it, our paintbrush, and we're just going to glue these and clamp them together. Popped another clamp on, and now we're just going to wipe off the excess glue. Excess, but you know, it's fine. So I can only wipe the glue off once unless I purposely rub some more on that. We've chucked some more clamps on it, now we're just going to leave it for half an hour. Now that we've finished the recommended clamp time according to this Gorilla Glue bottle, we're just going to take all the clamps off. It still needs about 24 hours afterwards to properly cure, but now we can release all the clamps. So, I think that concludes this project. It's definitely not perfect, it's definitely not new, but it is very good. It's just a quick repair, because we're working on a bigger project right now with some of this wood in the background. I hope you enjoyed this project. I know it's been a short video, but yeah, we'll see you later. That's cool.